Hi there, and this is question 5 of the remake. So what I got wrong, really quick to go over, I didn't get to the question on time and really didn't do a lot. I tried guessing a lot of the stuff, but didn't really go through very in-depth part. But I'm going to go in-depth here. Today, we're going to go ahead and look at the mass balance. Mass balance is going to be easier to balances, but you go ahead and have your height, your overall mass on the left side, and you have your inlet minus the outlet. And you can go ahead and do the linearization and the Laplace, and you can go ahead and get H prime of S over W prime of S should be W prime equals -1 rho AS. And because the general form is 1 over S, you're going to go ahead and have K1 equaling -1 over rho A. And H prime of S over Q prime of S is going to be equal to 0. You can either use like logic of like the heater's not going to really affect the height, or there's just no Q value to really apply in this case. So moving on, we have the energy balance. We're going to have the overall energy on the left side equals the inlet energy minus the outlet energy plus the heater. And main thing to look at right here is that the W terms right here cancel out, which is really big. And so you go ahead and subtract this guy on over, and you have H dt dt equals the inlet plus the heater. You're going to go, I went ahead and use some substitutions, which is going to be C1 and B. I use C1 right here, but I don't use C1 anywhere else. But the main thing is that when you're solving for T prime of S over Q prime of S, you can cancel out the H prime of S, and that's going to go ahead and make it a lot simpler. And you just want to go ahead and solve for the general form, which is going to have like the constant being equal to 1 on the denominator equal to tau, resulting right here, as you can see. Moving on, you have the third transfer function, which is more complicated. You're going to go ahead and just solve again. But the main important part is you're going to multiply T prime of S over H prime of S times H prime of S over W prime of S from previous prop. And yes, here's the rest of the stuff. Sorry I went over 2 minutes, but yes, I think I went over everything. Thank you so much for watching.